Really a watershed moment for prosecutors.
A powerful prosecutor in the Queens DA's office. He won high-profile convictions, including in the Chanel Lewis case. But Brad Leventhal has now resigned from his job after a recent case raised serious questions about misconduct in the Queens District Attorney's office.
Evidently, he suffered from this win-at-all-cost mentality.
Bell, Johnson, and Bolt case may be the straw that broke the camel's back.
George Bell, Rohan Bolt, and Gary Johnson were in prison for more than 2 decades, convicted of a 1996 murder and robbery where an NYPD officer was killed. But last month,
good to see you too, Bo. Oh, man.
Pix 11 was right there as the 3 men walked out of prison. Judge Joseph Zayas overturned their convictions.
The miscarriage of justice in your case, in your cases, is egregious.
Judge Zayas found Queens prosecutors withheld evidence that a different group of men committed the murders.
The wrongdoing, as Judge Zayas said, was deliberate in this case.
Brad Leventhal was an assistant district attorney at the time of their trials.
People that perpetrated this type of misconduct were rewarded.
Over the years, Leventhal was promoted to chief of the Homicide Bureau. Reuben Wills is a former city councilman who had his own criminal conviction overturned last year.
We wanted him fired. We wanted him terminated. We wanted a message sent that you can't do this and discount our lives.
After their own investigation, the Queens District Attorney's Office found trial prosecutors unintentionally failed to disclose records that were favorable to the defense. Charles Linehan is part of the legal team that worked for years to finally free Bell, Bolt, and Johnson.
I think we're going to see some real fundamental change come out of this. I'm a big believer in the idea that the prosecutors themselves should get serious about internal reform.
Brad Leventhal is now the second prosecutor to step down from his job after last month's decision. Charles Testa Grossa resigned from his job in Nassau County in their district attorney's office, and the DA here in Queens says she'll announce in the coming weeks whether or not she will retry the cases of Bell, Bolt, and Johnson. Reporting outside the Queens Criminal Courthouse in Kew Gardens, Ayana Harry, Pix 11 News.